Welcome to Biotech R&D Laboratories Yercaud. Biotech R&D Laboratories has been manufacturing electrophoresis units, UV transluminators, power packs, blotting apparatus and gel documentation systems. In this video, I will demonstrate how to run gel documentation system. Now, connect the gel documentation system to the main power line. Also, attach the camera to the top of the gel documentation system. Once this is done, open the gel documentation cabinet's door, remove the UV filter screen and place the UV scale. Since this is a demonstration and there is no gel prepared or no experiment run, the gel documentation system comes along with a UV coated scale, a small size scale, which on illumination from the UV transluminator, it will glow in orange color. Now we'll show you how this is done. Place the UV scale on top of the UV transluminator. Then place the protective shield covering the UV scale. Now close the door and then switch on the red switch. In this video, we have opened the door and we are switching on the red switch. Please don't do it. Please close the door and switch on the red switch. Now view the scale through the camera. You will see the UV scale illuminated in orange color. Switch off the red switch, then open the cabinet door and then remove the UV protecting shield and the scale. Now there is a foldable white light transluminator that comes along with the gel documentation system. This white light transluminator is used for viewing protein gels. Now place the protein gel on top of the white light transluminator, close the door and switch on the green switch. Now view the protein gel through the camera. You will find an image similar to this. Switch off the green color switch, open the cabinet and remove the protein gel. Make sure to clean the surface of the UV transluminator and white light transluminator after using it. Once the images are captured, transfer the image from the camera to the computer for further analysis using 1D gel analysis software. This is how Biotech R&D Laboratories gel documentation system is used. Thank you.